Complex numbers. Goals. Number 1, identify the real and imaginary parts of a complex number. Number 2, rewrite complex numbers using radicals. Number 3, rewrite a negative radical number as an imaginary unit. Step 4, simplify imaginary numbers. Part 1, using the handout, define the following vocabulary words. Imaginary number, which is I. Complex numbers. Ask yourself, what is the real part and the imaginary part of a complex number? Part 2. Example 1. Identify the real and imaginary parts of the complex number 8 plus 1/3 I. Remember, I is not a variable. I actually represents a number. The two parts are split by the addition sign. Let's draw a line between the two parts so we can separate them. Which side of the line contains the imaginary number I? What do you think this means? Example 2. Rewrite the complex number 2i using a radical. Step 1. Rewrite I as its value, I equals radical -1. Step 2. Square the number next to the imaginary number. Another way of saying square is take it to the second power. Step 3. Multiply -1 by the answer to step 2 and put that product inside the radical. Example 3. Rewrite the radical -32 using the imaginary unit I. Step 1. Since this is a negative number inside a radical, we know there is a -1, which means radical -1 times 32 equals radical -1 times radical 32. We can separate our numbers into separate radicals. What can we replace radical -1 with? Step 2. Simplify radical 32. There are two ways to do this. See if you can research this on your own. Example 4. Simplify I to the 57th power. Now this one's tough. We're going to go over it, but let's see if you can figure it out on your own as well.